Cryptocurrency has exploded in popularity over the last decade, and more people are looking to get into the game of digital currencies. However, for beginners, investing in crypto can be overwhelming. There's volatility, unfamiliar terms, and technology involved that may seem intimidating at first. In this guide, we'll walk through the 10 best tips for beginners investing in cryptocurrency so you can start your journey with more confidence and knowledge. 1. Start by understanding the basics of cryptocurrency. Before diving into the world of crypto, it's crucial to understand what cryptocurrency actually is. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that relies on blockchain technology for security. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any government or central authority. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies operate on blockchain technology, a public digital ledger of transactions. For beginners, it's essential to grasp the concepts of blockchain, decentralized finance, DeFi, and how cryptocurrencies work. Spend some time reading up on these topics before making any investment. Websites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko provide excellent starting points for learning about the various coins and their market performances. 2. Start small and only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, with prices fluctuating dramatically in short periods. While there are stories of people making massive profits, the risks are just as high, and losses can happen quickly. A golden rule of investing is to only invest what you can afford to lose. Don't put your entire savings into crypto thinking you'll get rich overnight. Start with a small amount of money. This helps you get a feel for the market and reduce the chances of a devastating loss early on. 3. Do your own research, DYOR. Do your own research, DYOR, is a common phrase in the crypto community for a reason. With so many different cryptocurrencies out there, it's important to research each project before investing. Just because a coin is popular or recommended doesn't mean it's the right fit for you. Focus on understanding a project's use case, the team behind it, its technology, and its potential for future growth. Avoid falling into the hype of pump and dump schemes where people artificially inflate the price of a coin to sell it at a higher price, leaving inexperienced investors with losses. You can find valuable information on platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and crypto news websites like Cointelegraph or Decrypt. Look for credible sources and double-check facts before making any decisions. 4. Diversify your investments. As with any form of investing, putting all your eggs in one basket is risky. In the world of crypto, this is even more true given the volatility of the market. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most popular and widely held cryptocurrencies, there are thousands of others, known as altcoins, with unique use cases. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in different types of crypto assets. By spreading your investments across multiple coins, you reduce the risk of losing all your funds if one coin crashes. However, don't go overboard with diversification. Pick a few projects that you genuinely believe in after conducting thorough research. 5. Use reputable exchanges. When buying or trading cryptocurrency, it's essential to use a reputable exchange. Popular exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken are known for their security measures, ease of use, and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Stay away from lesser-known or new exchanges, as they may lack security features or be vulnerable to hacking. Always look for exchanges that offer two-factor authentication, 2FA, insurance in case of hacks, and strong encryption protocols to protect your account. Also, it's a good idea to use decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Uniswap if you want more privacy and control over your assets. But keep in mind that these platforms may require a higher level of technical understanding. 6. Understand the importance of security. Security is crucial when investing in cryptocurrency. Unlike a bank, if you lose your crypto due to hacking or fraud, there's often no way to recover it. Here are some tips to keep your investments safe. Use a hardware wallet. If you're holding a significant amount of crypto, consider using a hardware wallet like a Ledger or Trezor. These wallets store your crypto offline, making them less vulnerable to hacks. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Always enable 2FA on your exchange accounts to add an extra layer of security. Beware of phishing scams. Never click on suspicious links or share your private keys with anyone. Scammers often impersonate legitimate companies or individuals in the crypto space to trick beginners. By focusing on security from the start, you'll avoid potential losses due to theft or fraud. 7. Be aware of taxes and regulations. Cryptocurrency is subject to taxes and regulations, which vary from country to country. Many beginners overlook this aspect, but understanding the tax implications of your crypto investments is essential. In most countries, cryptocurrency is considered a taxable asset, meaning that every time you sell, trade, or use it to purchase goods, you may need to report the transaction to your tax authority. Failure to do so can result in hefty fines. Keep detailed records of all your crypto transactions, including dates, amounts, and prices, so you can easily calculate any gains or losses come tax time. It's also a good idea to consult with a tax professional who understands crypto. 8. Don't fall for FOMO, fear of missing out. Fear of missing out, FOMO, is one of the biggest reasons beginners make poor investment decisions in the crypto market. When you see headlines of a coin skyrocketing in value, it's tempting to jump in and buy at a high price, thinking the upward trend will continue. However, chasing after pumps usually leads to losses, as prices often correct themselves after a surge. It's important to remain calm and avoid making emotional decisions. Stick to your investment strategy and avoid impulsive buys driven by hype or excitement. Instead of reacting to short-term price movements, focus on the long-term potential of your investments. 9. Keep a long-term perspective. The crypto market is notoriously volatile, with significant price swings happening within days, hours, or even minutes. For beginners, it's easy to get caught up in these short-term fluctuations, leading to panic selling or emotional trading. One of the best strategies is to adopt a long-term perspective. Many successful crypto investors hold on to their coins for years, riding out the ups and downs of the market. This approach, known as hodling, hold on for dear life, has proven to be effective for those who believe in the future potential of their investments. By focusing on the long term, you'll be less likely to make rash decisions based on short-term volatility. 10. Stay informed and adapt to changes. The cryptocurrency market evolves rapidly, with new technologies, regulations, and trends emerging all the time. As a beginner, staying informed is key to making successful investments. Follow trusted news sources, join crypto communities, and keep an eye on market trends. Subscribe to newsletters or YouTube channels that offer updates on the latest developments in the space. Also, be willing to adapt your strategy as the market changes. What worked a few years ago may not be as effective today. The crypto space is still young and evolving, and flexibility is crucial for long-term success. Summary: investing in cryptocurrency can be a thrilling and rewarding experience, but it also comes with risks. By following these 10 tips, starting small, doing your research, diversifying your investments, and keeping security and taxes in mind, you'll set yourself up for a more informed and strategic approach to crypto investing. Remember, patience and caution are your best allies as you navigate this exciting new frontier. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips, guides, and updates on cryptocurrency and personal finance.